Hello guys, today is my new welcome to my new video. I hope you will like this. I'm playing with my friend Oof. I name him Oof. Okay, let's go. Let's super try hard killer or a good match. Let's do this, gamers. I hope a good match. What are they writing? Ah, match. I hope a I hope a good match. I hope a try hard killer. Let's do this. Let's do this, gamers. Oh, what is his name? Oh, call me Necro. What the hell name is this? Oh, Killer. Killerina, besides. Maybe. Let's do this, gamers. Oh my god, hyping. I hate it. Never mind. Let's concentrate in game. Oh, here is the chase. Go here. And hope a flashlight from the chase. Let's do this, gamers. I hope a flashlight from the chase. A toolbox. Okay, no problem. I'm a Jen. Let's do this. Oh, somebody's down. Oh no, somebody's down. Let's do the gym. After this, I will go for the gym. Oh no, he attempt. What the hell? Why did he even attempt? Oh, he got dead. Bruh, he got dead. I didn't saw the skills though. What the hell? Gen complete. Let's go. Let's do this, gamers. Now I need a flashlight from the chest. Sabili. Sabili. Oh, flashlight. Nice. Oh no, my friend. Lol. Let's hide here. Ooh. I'm waiting for the first save. And got down. Got down. Oof. I hope I don't get hooked here. Oh no, he's taking me to another hook. No. No, no. Don't do it. I thought that I will get wiggle off. Wiggle, wiggle, wiggle. God, wiggle off. What the hell was that? Never mind. Stay here in the pallet. No, don't drop it. Please don't drop it. What the? Never mind. What, he dropped it? Let's do this, gamers. I'ma run. I got down. I got down. I have unbreakable and I can recover myself. I have unbreakable left. You also have unbreakable, nice. Unbreakable OP. He's coming also. You even got hit, how? We need to do Jen. Let's do the Jen. Oh, it is already done. Let's go here. Let's go from here and find a Jen to complete it. Oh, Billy is here. Again from here. What the hell? No. Help me, please help me. Help, help, help me. I'm in one tap, help me. Oh, he had this. He had this. Let's see here. Let's see here. Yeah, let's do this, gamers. I'm a healer. He didn't saw me. That's good. Oh, I didn't saw it. Sorry. Why just leaving? It's a M1 bug. And he's coming. See, M1 bug. I hate it. It need to be fixed. Let's do the Jen. Two gens left to complete. If we done two, then we can escape. Let's do this. Let's do the gen. Let's do this gen. Oh! What the hell? No! I just psyched. There is a hook. No! I wanna use my DS. Please, no, no, no. Oh, man, if I use my DS, then I also get hooked. Two of them were doing gen. Oh, one gen complete. That's nice. Yeah, balance landing or sprint rush. He's here. Rip. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. I'm dead. Have DS left, but the hook is far. Close. I need to struggle now. That's why I hate this map, because there is so many hooks near to each other. So I can't use my DS. One gen left. They need to do one gen only, and that's in front of me. Join down. এটা কি হইছে? এটা কি বাগ হইছে? চুপ আস্তে তো কথা এটা এমন সিস্টেম না, এটা সিস্টেমটা করছি। চুপ I'm a who knows? They all are dead. I'm alone in the game. Hamaran. I'm a healer. I know he's waiting for me down. Run, run, I'm a run. I need a run. He's there, so I have to run. I hope I get a hash. See from where he hit it there. Then also I got down. What the hell? I hate it. I have DS left. See the hook is also so close. Oh no! Only for 1 inch! Oh my god, how? Never mind. GG. It was GG. GG match. It's okay. Okay. It's GG. It's GG. Never mind. It was good though. Um. Let's play lobby. Yes. Hello. Hello. Yeah. Join my lobby. I made. I made lobby. Join. Oh. Oh. It's okay. 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 Do live. Let me see your match. Do live. Okay. Okay. Bro, what did I done? Lol. The Steam is still loading. I can't see anything. It's still loading. The Steam has end. Okay, okay. Yeah, now I can. Now I can. You are looping the killer here in the bus. I know, right? Don't drop the pellet. You should look here. If you should loop here, then if you get hit, then drop the pellet. Oh, I remember you didn't play it a long time. You were busy. I know, right? I know, right? What? Yes. Yes. I'm watching. Three gens are complete already. The killerina is getting bullied. Hey, I know this killer. Oh my god, lol. I know this killer. I faced him before. You got hit. Don't get down. Don't get down. He's don't get down. Two gens are complete, lol. The killerina. Oh, that will be okay.
19 ke 2019.
Yeah. My friend is getting mad for waiting for you. Okay, okay. Who is crying? Or laughing? Yes, what? Yes, he is good. Yeah. Nice, great skill checks. Last gen left. Yes. Oh, done. Escape, escape. Yeah. Cause somebody had done the gen, so that was complete. And dead, dead, dead. Go and another door. Go in another door. See back, and go in another door, Tolia. Okay. Don't get down. That's a bug. That's a bug. In the rock. You are dead. You are dead. Lol, you are dead. You are dead. You are dead. You can't even swing. Yeah, there is a pallet. Oh. Yeah, close. Oh, he left you. Go in the door. He left you. Okay. Now escape, escape. My friend is getting mad for. Totally escape. What did you done? He's telling no, no, no. Don't recover! Don't recover! Go to the exit! Yeah, he's healing you, that's why. Yeah, escape, escape! Escape! Yeah, GG, join. Yeah, you can stop. I know, right? Yeah. Yeah. And join my lobby, I made there. Join. My friend is also joining, okay? My friend also joined. Let's do this, gamers. There. Ready up. Ready up. Oh, hidden feel. I'm only getting hidden feel. I'm gonna drink some water, wait. Yeah, balance landing is good. Oh, somebody else is the obsession. Oh, yeah, I saw. He's after you. I'm taking this. 360! Lol. Oh, lol, I got it. He's after me. Yeah, I know. I knew it. Slow ball here and run. If you don't find me, I'm running. Lol, lol, I run. He lost me. He lost me. Yeah. I also. He's throwing X. I'm healing myself. He's after someone. He's after someone. He's after someone. Lol. I know. Even that is hurt. Even that is hurt to use. Huntress is hurt to use. I always get bullied with Huntress. Same. Our player with object came in front of me and I tried to hit him but he didn't got any hit. Then I threw the hatchet, he got hit, then also I lost him. I was searching where he go. Then I found him, then also I got him in my hand. But he used DS on me so I left there. The killer is after me, I didn't even saw. He's after me. Run. The killer is after us. He don't want me, he want oof. I'm healing right now. Bruh, I missed the skill check, no. Let's do this, gamers. And the killer is coming. Guy killer. And he's after me. I need a run. He's coming after me. I'm a run. He's after me. Dujen. I'm looping him right now. I think I will not make it. I'm down. Down. I tried to 360 and got down. He's telling no. He's telling no. He's trying to flashlight save. Yeah, flashlight save. He got me. He flashlight save. LOL, killer DC. LOL, that guy flashlight save me, so killer DC. LOL. I just like I got down by 360 doing 360 and that guy came in front of him and then flashlight save, so he DC'd. That was epic. GG. Let's do this, gamers. Okay, join my lobby. Join my lobby. Oh, my friend, another friend came also. Join my lobby. I made. It's a 4-man server with friends. Maybe don't have maybe. Okay man, ready up. Ready up. Ready up. Yeah. I'm telling to Ronald, দুইটা ক্লাসে যাবে না ক্লাব জয়েন দাও আমি আর করব না জয়েন দাও ভিডিও রাখো দুইটা ক্লাস মিস হয়ে যাচ্ছে দেখো পরে ম্যাথটা নাকি দেখো ভিডিও করতে কেন আমার ক্লাসটা শেষ করে দেখো ক্লাসটা তো আগে হ্যাঁ পরে পুরো আরো পরে পুরো ক্লাস জয়েন দিবে না একজন একটাও বলি তাই কি কইটা শুনে দেবা এত ক্লাস তো জয়েন দিবা হ্যাঁ তো ক্লাস জয়েন দিবা না দাও একটাও ক্লাস জয়েন দিবা না চলো Sorry, me back. Oh, got a match. Same here. Oh, he's above. Oh, the killer is here. This is a small map though. This is a small map. This is a small map though. I know, I also like this map. It's not so much laggy map. Bruh, my luck, I got toolbox. My luck is so bad. This killer is after you. Oh yeah, I saw. There is the killer now. The killer is lagging. Oh no! How? That was not even a heat! Lol. Why am I not vaulting? I'm not even vaulting, what the hell? I was not even... Yeah, distract him, I'm unbreakable, distract him. Heal me. Yeah, take a heat and heal me. Heal me. Wow, wow. Run, run, you run. I got up and he hit me. I got up and he hit me. Yeah, heal me, heal me, heal me. I'm 99, heal. Run, 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 run. Let's go, let's go. See where is he hiding? See. Better. I'm healing. Where is he taking? Tell me I have toolbox. Oh, he didn't got that. He didn't got that. He missed it. You missed it, yes? Oh no, they are getting down. Never mind, I'm healing. Oh! 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 Your luck! Your luck! Nice, nice. What is he doing? He got bug, he got bug. Oof got bug. Oofy. I'm healing myself right now. Come here, come here. I will heal you, don't worry. Yeah. No, no, let's do this. Let's do this. Come here, let me heal you. Never mind, killer is coming. Killer is bug, killer is bug. Killer is bug. Oh, he did it. Cause the killer got bug. Lol, the killer. Killerina. I'm lagging. Let's try a never mind. Let's do this. Let's do this, join. Bruh. Leave, Ari, leave. Leave the lobby. Leave. You make lobby. Roblox, you make lobby. I mean duel. You make lobby. Duel. Hello? Are you there? Yeah, are you there? You make lobby. I will join you. You make lobby. Did you make lobby? Okay. You make lobby, I will join you. Oof. Okay. Just create and just like create. Then you will get a lobby by yourself.
দেখো তুমি 10 11-10 থেকে 11-20 কেমিস্ট্রি আজকে টেস্ট না
10 to 10:30
এখন মাত্র একটা ক্লাস শুরু হয়েছে দেখছো
10:40 to 11
এরপরে ক্লাসটা জয়েন দিব না তাহলে তাই না
11:20 to 11
হ্যাঁ 11-20 পর্যন্ত রাখো তখন ওখানে জয়েন দিব না
Yeah, Didi Metlobi. Hello? Oh, okay. That's a bug, maybe that's right. Who wrote me something? Wait. What the? Wait. Hold on, he was supposed to play for a bit with me. No. Okay, I'm joining. Yeah, I joined. Yeah, only we two. Yeah, ready up. Yeah, there. Ready. Let's do this, gamers. Oh, got a match. Nice. Okay, do generous. Okay. Oh, cold tower. Let's do this, gamers. Oh, 4 players. Oh, three players. Where? Oh yeah, back of you there. Wanna see up? Come. See up. Come, here is a chest. Search it. There is a chest. Yeah, I'm doing. I'm lagging though. Bro, I'm lagging. Oh, you are the obsession. What did you got? Okay, do it. Do the gen. Okay. It is getting fast. Yeah, it's toxic. Even I said my friend yesterday with toolbox. I was breaking the hooks so killer couldn't hit. Killer couldn't like hook the peoples. Toolbox is toxic. Oh, I didn't saw the skills. Sorry. I didn't saw it. I was doing something. I know. I'm getting many. Really? Okay, follow me. Okay. Did you bought object? Where's the killer? I wanna loop him. Oh, he's after you. See, he's after you. Lol. Oh no, how did he even eat that? Never mind, let's go here. I'ma go here. And he's coming up to me. Yeah, I will not make it. He's coming after me. What the hell? From where did he hit me? What the? He hit me from that far. Yeah, I'm in the pallet. Save me. I'm in the pallet. Don't drop the pellet, please. If he pick me, then you drop the pellet. What the? He dropped it. He dropped it. Heal me, heal me, heal me. If I get a hit, then also heal me. See, he's hitting me from where? See, he's hitting me from where? Yeah, he's hitting me from where? Yeah, break the hook when he pick me up. Okay. I know. He have high ping, high ping. He's hitting me from that far. Yeah, break the hook, break the hook. He's running. No, I will not get wiggle out maybe. No, I'm wiggling. Yeah, I will get out. Block. Oh no! Only for 1 inch. Only for 1 inch. Only for 1 inch. I think. You have bought them. Yeah, I am. Come here. Oh, he's coming. He have a hyping issue. He has a hyping issue. I'm not scared. See, he's so laggy. I'm not scared with him, but I'm scared of his ping. I'm scared of his ping. I'ma blind him. Like I said, let me blind him. I blind him. Come heal me. Yeah. I tried to 362. I'm unbreakable lip, unbreakable. Heal me.
वो आपने 2 fingers से खेल दो.
Heal me. Yeah, heal me. I'm 99. Heal me. I'm trying to flashless save. I'm gonna try to flashless. It's bro, lol, he dropped it. Lol, he's running. Heal me. Never mind, I have self care. You save. I have self care. You save. Yeah, save him. You have bought time. Nice. See, he's teleporting. The killer is teleporting. Okay. It's okay. I'm dead to heal you, don't worry. I'm getting a M1 bug that I can heal myself. Yeah, he only M1. And I'm getting a M1 bug, like I can heal myself like that. I'm going for the flashless wait. No, I can't get it. He's teleporting. He's yes. Yeah. He using her high ping. See? I'm 316 dead also. I can heal him. Wow, what about? I'm dead. See? He's lagging. Oh my god. He's lagging. Save me. No, he's lagging. Laggy killer. I'm running. He's a laggy killer. He's after me. I'm looping him. Save the guy. Oh, he did it. Oh no! I done a big mistake. See, he hit me from a pallet. He hit me through the pallet. He's having hyping. I'm losing. I am unbreakable. I am unbreakable. He didn't even expect that. I'm at the like where we spawned there. I'm healing the guy. Like there we spawned. Lol, he deceived. Lol, it was epic. He was having hyping. Okay, I'm making lobby. Okay, there. Okay. Are you there? Rip. Rip. Okay, join my lobby. I made. Okay. It's okay. Wait. When I tell ready, then click find match. Okay, when I tell ready, I wanna face you. Okay, I wanna face you when I tell. Like when I tell 3, 2, 1, go, then you will press the ready button. Okay, I mean the find match button. Okay. Okay, no, wait. Let me just take my perks and everything. I wanna be toxic. I'ma take object. Okay, are you ready? 3, 2, 1, go! Click find match. Click. Oh, there is a killer maybe. Did you got match? Oh, Cold Tower, did you got match? Oof. Yeah, I got a match of Cold Tower. Are you stealing MMK? Are you stealing the MMK? Hello? Are you stealing MMK? Okay, wait, I'm coming again. There is no killer. I got no killer lobby, what the hell? Okay, I'm coming in MMK, wait for me. I'm coming, don't worry. I'm gonna drink some water for patient. Are you still MMK? Hello? You got match? Oh, I also got another match. Oh, Haddonfield. Okay. I got Haddonfield. Lol. I got a Huntress killer. I got a killer is Huntress. Lol, everyone is toxic here. I got all toxic teammates maybe. Lol, he got hit. And the Huntress is a girl. Huntress is a girl. I got toxic teammates. Lol, I'm looping the killer right now. No, no, sir, no, no. Die. Oh, he dropped it. Oof. He's blocking me. The player is blocking me. What the hell? That player made me die. That player made me die. That player. The player, like when I was looping the killer, he blocked me. That's unfair for a gamer. And he hooked me. My first hook. Nobody is doing gen. Wow. I got safe. And the killer is after me. Yeah, I'm getting tunnel. Wow. My luck to get tunnel. Never mind, he's not after me now. I'm gonna heal myself. Yeah. Hard is hard to use though. I'm healed, lol. Okay. And he got down. Easy flashless save. Lol, I flashless saved that guy. Lol. Wait, let me heal you, guy. He's running from me. I'm not the killer even. The guy is running from me. Wait, why are you running? Why are you running? Why are you running? Stop. Stop here. Yeah, the guy is still running from me. I'm not even the killer. I'm coming to help heal him. And he's running from me. Stop it. Get some help. I took a hit. Lol, he died. He got down. He's still Nubia Huntress. Oh no, I got hit. I got hit. I'ma run. Gotta go fast. Gotta go fast. Lol, easy flashlight. I'm saving the guy with flashlight and the killer is being mad. The killer is being mad on me. Oh, okay. I like saving the guy so much. The killer is being like, what the hell? Why are you saving him? Why are you saving him? I'm done. Run, guy. I'm saving that guy with my life and he be like getting down so easily. Lol. My flashlight is going to be finished. The killer is after me now, lol. He knows that I will flashlight save. That's right. Lol, he's after him now. Nobody is doing gens. They are wanting to make the killer DC. They just want to make killer DC. Lol, I knew it. The killer is after me, I'm dead. Oh! That just got in front of me and I got down. I looped him so bad. Like I saved the guy with flashlight 3 times. I have unbreakable left. I have unbreakable left. And he got me. Oof. And he got me. It will be my first sook. Oh, I forgot that I have DS, so I didn't use the DS. Oh no, I was almost getting wiggle out. Help me! Help me! Help me! I got hooked in the basement. Help me! Anyone! No one is coming for the safe. The killer is camping me though. I can hear the access. Save me! Help! No one is helping me. There's just rooming here. Oh, bot time. The third! I'm getting tunnel. I'm getting tunnel! No! Tunneler killer. I'm in myself. I'm gonna go save the guy with flashlight. Try to save him. He got down here. Wow. He didn't even got down near. If I can flashlight save. Oh, he got reset up. What the hell? How did he hooked up to down? I didn't got the save. Don't attempt. I have unbreakable. Other guy is saving him. Okay, wait. I'm in a match. What? Wow. Lol, what did he just done? I have unbreakable left. I have to run! The killer is after me, run! Did I? Run! Lol. Thanks God that I have unbreakable. I still have my DS. Let's do this, gamers. I'm not gonna lose hope so easily. Let's do this. Let's wait for the flash. Let's save. Let's run. The killer is here. He is picking him up. I can't get that. I'm a heal up. Then try to get the save. I'm gonna try to get the save after healing myself. You say I'm one buck I did. Oh, he died. And he's after me. And he's after me. I am looping the killer.
Bye, have a better time.
I don't know why was I not like vaulting. That's a bug maybe. Help me. I'm recovered, help me. Hey, run. Wait, I'm in a chase right now. He
I'm
got
dead.
me. The killer is not picking up cause he know that I'm DS.
And plus I'm almost dead.
And he's after me. I'm dead. I will die like this. And he got hit. And I'm recovered. Help me. Oh no,
I'm
he
dead.
can't. He do. I'm dead. Lol, dead. I'm dead. Wait. Okay. So if you like this, like, share and subscribe, and I will be giving like these videos, and I hope you guys like it.
Hey.
And like stay well, stay safe, and I will hope that from everyone. So bye guys.
Hey.